again, my take on it is similar to what I said. The government really does not need to intrude into certain areas. Yes, unfortunately, we do have the government's involvement in the appointment of the chairperson of this institute. But they should, as the years progress, I think they should step out of it. I think it should be an autonomous institute. It should be able to take care of itself. And it's unfortunate that political appointments are being made in institutions of education. And in this particular case, I think the gentleman concerned should have the dignity to step back himself, because I think the chairperson of a film school, because I'm from a film school myself, it's a very intimate relationship. And you cannot, demand respect. You have to command it. And therefore, I think in this case, he should just step back and it should be resolved. And as far as rusticating students is concerned, I think it's absurd, because as long as they're doing it via peaceful means, they should have the right to be able to express their angst against whatever, they think is not correct.
Salim sir,
I'm not, wanted. मैं तो उस जगह पे रहना भी पसंद नहीं करूँगा. I will never go. अब इतना opposition है, लोग नहीं चाहते हैं, तो you should withdraw from the situation with dignity. That's all. It's as simple as that.
Salman, do you have anything to say about this? There are so many actors, veteran actors who've come from FTI, direct.
Well, I think then he should listen to the students.
All right.
Because the students have made our industry what the industry is, most of them.
Salman,
And some of them were rusticated as well.
Yeah.
आपकी
What's
फिल्म-
the next question?
आपकी फिल्म कल रिलीज हो रही है इंडिया में, साथ ही पाकिस्तान में भी रिलीज हो रही है, लेकिन एक पाकिस्तानी फिल्म है बिन रॉय, माहिरा खान स्टारर, उसको महाराष्ट्र में रिलीज नहीं होने दिया जा रहा है. तो अब क्या, कितना सही या गलत आपको लगता है कि इंडियन फिल्म को पाकिस्तान में रिलीज होने दिया जा रहा है, लेकिन इंडिया में पाकिस्तानी फिल्म रिलीज नहीं हो पा रही है?
देखिए,
See, don't confuse a state policy with what a particular outfit is saying, right? So it's not like the government of India has objected to that film. So I think the equating the two about the government of Pakistan allowing Bajrangi Bhaijaan to release and one small political outfit here protesting, you cannot equate the situation.
Okay.
Still,
Do we have
it's
other-
a
for
complete
example,
political
we got a
stance.
U certificate in Pakistan. Out here we got UA.
Salman,
And-
Salman.
Can we just
My views-
stick to the book and the film and
My views
questions
is
with
that the
that?
film should be released everywhere.
Yeah,
Salman,
the
kal
lady in
aapki-
the red. The lady in the red.
Out publicity and the people like the film, then we have got no worries at all.
Yeah, the lady in the red.
सलमान, आपकी फिल्म कल रिलीज हो रही है. एक सलमान खान फिल्म जो होती है उसकी एडवांस बुकिंग काफी हो जाती है, टिकट्स अवेलेबल नहीं होते, पर आपकी फिल्म की टिकट्स अभी भी काफी अवेलेबिलिटी है कल के लिए. तो क्या रीजन है
क्योंकि
इसका?
आप नहीं गई टिकट लेने. अगर आप चली जाती तो ये सवाल उठता ही नहीं.
Also, I think your facts are incorrect. It's the biggest advance booking till now. So
She knew about that. She knew about that. बस ऐसे ही.
It's just
ऐसे.
been
नहीं.
27 hours since we've opened our advance booking.
Any other questions? Are we done?
Nobody said anything. When they come out of the film, they're like,
आपके डैड ने क्या कहा?
and
priceless.
they've got a smile on their face. They're like tears in their eyes, and they wait in the theater till the rolling titles are over, and then they start coming out. I mean, you guys have been outside the theaters as well on the screen. Have you seen anyone come out and say anything? So now we're going to keep them there for some more time, an hour, hour and a half, and then you might get a reaction. Because we're getting a reaction after about कितने घंटे बाद? दो तीन घंटे बाद, the next day. What a film. What an amazing movie. What a positive film. It's actually an elevating experience watching this movie.
सलीम साहब, आपने भी फिल्म देखी है, आपका क्या रिएक्शन था? आपने क्या कहा सलमान को फिल्म देखने के बाद?
Excellent, excellent. कोई डाउट नहीं है उस फिल्म पे. Absolutely full proof.
क्या अब तक की सलमान की करियर का ये बेस्ट रोल
I
है
think
अकॉर्डिंग
so.
टू यू?
Yeah, I think so. It is not one of the best, probably the best actually.
My God, I think after Salim Saab's final word, we don't need anything else. It's Salman Khan's best performance till date, according to Salim Saab. So I don't know what
Till the
further
next
we can
one
say.
coming up,
Till
huh?
the next one. So, ladies,
Yeah.
ladies and
सलमान,
gentlemen, thank you
इस
so
बुक
much.
को
We'll
लाने
just
की
take
कोई-
one last question
Yeah,
and then
sure.
we'll be done.
सलमान, इस बुक को लाने की कोई खास वजह थी, इसके पीछे क्या राज है?
Amazing, ना? Last question. Yeah, sure. बाकी का किसी का ख्याल नहीं है.
नहीं.
ये unity
She's
है.
saying yeah.
जी हाँ.
इस बुक को लाने की कोई खास वजह थी? क्या सिर्फ एक प्रमोशन के तौर पे या फिर जर्नी इतनी स्वीट रही कि इस बुक को लाने की? Nice question.
It's a very good question. अब इसमें पकड़ो उसको. देखिए